I think my number one tip is that rote learning is never going to help. It's necessary for them to understand and apply the concepts that they've been learning if those concepts were applied in real life. Understand that it's necessary for you to study, for you to learn. The internet is also like a really good friend during your exams. The videos, the articles, they're going to help you summarize the topics that you've learned, and it's going to be very easy during your revision.
One of my main thing is making timetable. So I make timetable to manage my time technically, not only writing what I need to do in what day, but even the hours, like between this hour and this hour, I'm gonna read this, I'm gonna do that. I wouldn't go on my phone and get distracted by it. That's what I do.
When the exam is coming, that's where time management comes. Time management is not about just doing stuff on this time and getting things done. It's also a skill which you need to acquire. If you're weak in learning, then give more time to learning and less time to numericals. And if you know that you're very good at it, then you don't need to do that. But if you think that you're very weak in numericals, then you need to sit and practice every day for like about minimum an hour or two, and then give less importance to the learning aspects.
Study for long hours of time, and so I would time myself maybe for half an hour, 1 hour, whatever I decide, or even 10 minutes sometimes, and then give myself a break, a reward with maybe a YouTube video or a song that I like. I would listen to it to refresh my mind and then go back to studies. And rewards make you want to study because that's what's needed, you know.
Make sure you have a study space that is free from all distractions. The quiet study spaces in the library are great options. Taking tons of information, it is best to combine it with snacks. Snacking is a great way to retain information in your head. Flashcards are a great way of recalling what you've learned. They come in handy when you've got free time and also help you to be productive. Do what you feel is best comfortable. The number one tip for acing exam is to practice past exam papers. They are a great way of getting the distinction that you're eyeing at.
Sleep well. Get your proper sleep, get an 8 hours sleep so your body can function properly, and keep yourself hydrated. Like drink water, stay healthy, and do not consume coffee because it ruins you. Like drinking coffee, I know it helps you to stay awake all night, but it still demotivates you, gets you tired really easily. Exercise. Do not leave your work for the last minute. I'll do it tomorrow, do it today. Learn to say no.
Prepare your day in advance. Before going to bed, take a note of the tasks which you would like to accomplish. I will spare 1 hour for tasks, and then I will take something like half an hour relax, and then I will start the other tasks. Start your day early.
It's important to relax, isn't it?
Yes, because then it will make stress, and so you cannot understand what you are reading.
Okay, 2 phases to acing your exam: preparation and execution. Preparation. Clear your head and mark your exam date. Use the same pen during your exam, and while you're writing your notes, everything just flows back to you. Execution. Read your instructions really carefully. Instructions are the most important part of an exam. So if you don't read the instructions, you might mess it up. Do all the easy questions first. Check your work. You have to check your work. Make sure you leave just enough time to go over everything. Just relax. Good luck.
Getting work done, and procrastination, it's one of my main issues. My tutor introduced me to a new app which actually would make me concentrate on my work. And this app is called Forest app. It builds trees. So when you want to focus, you start building a tree, and doing that, you get some coins. And with those coins, you can actually build real trees with the sponsorship they have.
Writer's block happens because we aim to produce a perfect essay. In the first draft, or scattered ideas in the form of a flowchart or a word list, and then you have to expand it to paragraphs, but still don't care about mistakes, grammar, punctuation marks, etc. And in the third draft, then you have to look for cohesion and organize the paragraphs, and in the fourth draft, you can then make it perfect by correcting all spelling.